Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. I hope that all of you are aware that Masterminds has developed its own app in Google Play Store with the name Masterminds Online Classes. Through this Masterminds Online Classes app, we are providing various services to CMA Inter students. In this video, I am going to explain you how to access those services without human intervention, without asking or contacting anyone. You can directly purchase a course from this app and you can start watching the required videos. Now, let me show how this entire process happens. First, go to Play Store, Google Play Store, and type the keyword Masterminds Online Classes. Once you type the same, you will get the Masterminds Online Classes app. Install the same. After installing the same, you need to give your details such as mobile number and mail ID. Enter those details. After that, this is the home screen that you will get. This is the opening screen that you will get. So in the bottom, you can see 5 different icons: home icon, batches, store, charts, profile. Go to the middle icon, store. Click the middle icon, store. So now you will be able to see various courses being offered. But all these courses belong to either CA Foundation or CA Inter or CMA Inter or CMA Final. Now, how to search the videos related to your course, that is CMA Inter? Here there is a option called filter by topics. There are various filters. One filter is CA Final, another filter is CA IPCC, another filter is CA Inter, another filter is CA Foundation, another filter is CMA Foundation, another filter is CMA Inter. In this particular manner, there are various filters. Now click the filter CMA Inter. Now the videos or courses applicable to CMA Inter alone will be visible to you. Let us discuss each course separately. First one, CA Inter Rapid Revision Batches classes on Accounting Standards Group 1. Actually, these rapid revision batches are right now designed for CA Inter, but they can also be used by CMA Inter students. These rapid revision batches are originally designed for CA Inter students, but they can also be used by CMA Inter students. So this is rapid revision batch. What is this rapid revision batch? In these rapid revision batches, we will be teaching the entire subject in just a matter of 20 hours. So in this rapid revision classes on accounting standards of Group 1 of CA Inter, we have taught all the Group 1 accounting standards in just 20 hours. So this is originally designed for CA Inter, but can also be used by CMA Inter students. The second course that is available here is RRB, Rapid Revision Batches on Accounting Standards Group 2. These are the accounting standards of Group 2 of CA Inter. So these RRB batches are also designed for CA Inter students, but they can also be used by CMA Inter students. Third course available for CMA Inter students is Rapid Revision Batch classes on Costing. These classes are also meant for CA Inter students, but they can also be used by CMA Inter students. Very soon, we are going to design exclusive RRB batches for CMA Inter students. We are going to provide RRB batches exclusively, separately for CMA Inter students. Now, the third course available is Costing. The fourth course available is IPCC or CA Inter Rapid Revision Batch classes on Auditing. Actually, this is also designed for CA Inter students, but it can also be used by CMA Inter students. Now, the fifth course available is Rapid Revision Batch classes on Company Law. This course is also designed for CA Inter students, but can also be used by CMA Inter students. Next one. So, GST. Actually, there is no difference with respect to CA Inter and CMA Inter as far as GST is concerned. So the same GST RRB batches videos can be watched by CA Inter students as well as CMA Inter students. So we have RRB for GST also. And the last one is CMA Inter Series 4 Revision Examination Schedule for December 2020 attempt. So as per this revision examination schedule, the first revision exam is scheduled to be conducted on October 14th. There will be weekly twice examinations, one exam on Sunday another exam on Wednesday. And there will be 3 separate schedules. One schedule for both group students, one schedule for group 1 students, one schedule for group 2 students. So there will be 3 separate schedules meant for students. And in each of the schedule, students are required to write 2 revision exams a week. One revision exam on Sunday, another revision exam on Wednesday. How exam will be conducted? All those details are already given in the description. If you read this description, you can understand how we are going to conduct the exams. So go to content. We have even provided some videos on how these revision exams will be conducted. You can watch those videos for better clarity. So after that, here is the schedule. You can access the schedule once you pay the amount. So for joining these revision exams, you need not approach anyone. Here there is an option called buy now for 3000. Click it. Pay the amount through any of the medium provided in this app. Once the payment is done, you can start watching the revision examination schedule, and your question papers will also be sent through this app itself. Revision examination question papers will also be sent through this app itself. So in this manner, we will provide various services to the students directly without any human intervention. Students can purchase any of the courses available for CMA Inter students. So once you go to the app, click store, all the videos, all the courses of various courses will be visible. But try to click the filter CMA Inter. Here there are filter by topics. Click the filter CMA Inter. Then only the courses related to CMA Inter will be visible, and try to watch the course which you deems to be required. So in this manner, without contacting anyone, you can directly avail various services through this Masterminds online classes app. I expect all the students to get best use of this service of Masterminds online classes app. Thank you.